All right, Clayton J here. We're going to do an outfit check since you guys are really liking these. So, yeah, first we're going to start with pants. And we got some khaki joggers. Joggers are, like, my favorite things to wear. We got these. It's a rainy day, so it's going to be more of a colder fit. All right, so we got my joggers. So for the shirts, I got two of them because with joggers, I feel like the colors to wear with joggers is like red. Like for a shirt is like a red shirt, like a gray shirt, black or white. Like, but the only like colored is like red. I feel like to go with joggers. So comment down below what you guys think. 'Cause I feel like a blue shirt, I feel like that doesn't look good with joggers. I don't know. I've always got told like red goes with joggers. So I could either go with a polo, which I wear polos a lot, so I might just switch with a regular shirt, slicky shirt. I love my slicky shirts. So let's put it on. And since it's a cold, rainy day today, I do got a little jacket, Calvin Klein jacket. Let's see. This is it. That's why I feel like the polo might look cute, you know, with this jacket over it. But also I feel like, what do you think about this outfit? I kind of like it.